Okay, so now we'll look at what it looks like from the student or the teacher end when a student has completed a quiz. So let's go into our modules. As a student, I completed this quiz. If we look on the student end, I gotta minimize this quick. If we look on the student end, all I did was just run through it quickly. So you can see right here how long it took. This was my latest attempt. Got a 5.7 out of 11. Some questions are not graded. Okay, so you can see here that this is telling me which ones are right, which ones are wrong. This allows me to link out to a different resource. You can see here, so this question, there are 3 boxes, and I got 2 of the 3 right, so I got a 0.76. Now let's look at a different one. I got this one right and this one wrong. Those cancel out, so I got 0. Up here, I got 2 of the 5, so that's going to get me 40%. Right here, that one's not right. That one is. Looks like this is just a fake upload I had. You can click right there and you can see what they uploaded. That's not a problem at all. Or as a student, you can see what you uploaded. Now let's look from the teacher end what this looks like. So I'm on my gravity quiz. I can, over here, I can see some statistics. I can start my grading. You can moderate. So this is where you can give, you're given a little more information, and if you need, you can give them an additional attempt. You can unlock the quiz for the next attempt. There's other things you can do as a moderator. But right here, let's look at, I can download all files. Well, that means that there's only one submission. But that would be nice if you had, 100 students. You could download all of them into one zip. You could open them and look at them all individually if you wanted to do that. You can look at your quiz statistics. So you can see I took it twice. So my average score here, or I'm sorry, this is only using the one time I took it. 46 because it was out of 11. This breaks down each of the questions. Now this will get a little bit, this has pretty good data analysis. This will get a little bit more confusing when we look at randomly generated questions. So you're not going to quite see what you see here because this number isn't always the same thing. Down here, though, is where you can download files. Here's where you can view in SpeedGrader. So if you look right here, well, it should be letting me go there. Oh, didn't want that. And this gives you like the printout of an Excel sheet, essentially, of how people have done. So you can run your own analysis if you'd like. What I'm looking for, though, if we go to Gravity Quiz, SpeedGrader right there. That's what we were hoping to link to on the other side. So you're going to have to grade question 10 and 11. So we'll come down here. It's got the whole submission here. You get to choose how many points that he got. So that got this one right, so I'm just going to give him a 1. And then down here, your definition of gravity, yeah, I'll give you a 1 on that one as well. So we'll go ahead and update that. So then this is going to go up to a 7. This is where you can just add or take away points on a student submission. If you want to provide comments for the entire quiz, you can. You don't have to. So we'll go ahead and update that. And the nice part is you've got a lot of kids in your class. You can just click next. Scroll down to the bottom, give 2 grades, click next. Scroll down to the bottom, give 2 grades, click next. So, I mean, it's really pretty quick, and it allows students to provide, some of the issues or some of the things they provide via handwriting or looking at work on a paper test. So that allows you to still do that. And again, you might want to mute this assignment until everybody's is graded. something like that. So that's where you get the benefit of an LMS.